Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Pranati Reddy from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering from Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Let's talk about Introduction to Lagrange's Inverse Interpolation. Lagrange's inverse interpolation is a powerful technique used to find the independent variable values from unknown dependent variable values. This method involves constructing a polynomial that passes through a set of data points and then solving for independent variables. Concept of inverse interpolation. Reversing the interpolation process, solving nonlinear equations, and wide applicability. In reversing the interpolation process, inverse interpolation allows you to determine the input values that correspond to a given output value. Unlike standard interpolation, which finds the output for a given input. Solving nonlinear equations. The technique is particularly useful when dealing with nonlinear relationships between variables where the inverse function cannot be easily expressed algebraically. Wide applicability. Inverse interpolation has applications in various fields such as physics, engineering, and data analysis, where determining input values from known outputs is crucial. Lagrange's polynomial interpolation. Polynomial construction, basis functions, flexibility. Lagrange's method constructs a polynomial that passes through a set of known data points, which can be used the inverse interpolation. Basis functions. The Lagrange's basis functions are used to determine the coefficients of the polynomial, ensuring the satisfies the given data points. Flexibility. This approach is applicable to the wide range of data sets, making it a versatile tool for various interpolation problems. Formulating the inverse interpolation problem. Known data, inverse problem, polynomial representation. Known data starts with a set of known x, y data points, where x represents the independent variable and y dependent variable. Inverse problem. The goal is to find the values of the independent variable x that corresponds to a given value of a dependent variable y. Polynomial representation. Construct a Lagrange polynomial that fits the known data points. Be used to solve for the inverse problem. Solving inverse interpolation equation. Lagrange polynomial, inverse equations and solutions. Lagrange polynomial uses the Lagrange basis functions to create a polynomial that represents the relationship between the independent and dependent variables. Inverse equation. Solve the polynomial equation for the independent variable using the given value of the dependent variable. Solution. The obtained values or the independent variable represents the solution to the inverse interpolation problems. Advantages of Lagrange's inverse interpolation. Flexible polynomial, accurate results, computational efficiency, intuitive interpretation. Flexible polynomial. The Lagrange polynomial can be used to fit a wide range of data sets, making it a versatile tool for inverse interpolation. Accurate results. Lagrange's method provides accurate estimates of the independent variable values, even for nonlinear relationships between variables. Computational efficiency. The algorithm is relatively straightforward to implement and computationally efficient, making it suitable for various applications. Intuitive interpretation. The Lagrange's basis functions provide a clear, intuitive understanding of the relationship between the variables. Limitations and considerations. Oscillation. Lagrange's polynomials can exhibit oscillatory behavior, especially when dealing with a large number of data points, which can affect the accuracy of the inverse interpolation. Extrapolation. Lagrange's method is best suited for interpolation within the given data range and may not perform well for extrapolation beyond the known data points. Round off errors. Numerical instabilities and round off errors can arise especially when working with high degree polynomials, which can impact the reliability of the results. Applications of Lagrange's inverse interpolation. In physics, determining particle energies or other physical quantities from experimental data. Engineering, calibrating sensors and instruments by finding input values from output measurements. Data analysis, extracting independent variable values from observed dependent variable data. Finance, estimating stock prices or interest rates from financial indicators. Conclusion and summary. Lagrange's inverse interpolation is a powerful mathematical tool that allows us to determine the independent variable values from known dependent variable data. By constructing a polynomial that fits the given data points, this method provides a flexible and accurate approach to solving inverse problems across various scientific and engineering disciplines. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.